Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can create your own apps using an offline software that is completely free. So there are various code builders that is available there, that is vibe coding tools like Replit, Lovable, Bolt, Bubble. So many tools are there available in the market, but they charge you a premium of around $20 to $30 per month to use it. So there are various open source alternative that is available, and this is one such alternative. It's called Dyad.sh. So Dyad is a free local open source alternative to Lovable, Bolt, and Replit. You can build your apps with the lock-in, so you can build unlimited AI apps without the lock-in. So you can launch your full stack app entirely in that. You can choose any models, including free tiers. You are not tied to one model or one vendor. So you can use whatever model that you want in that. Okay, so I'll show you step by step how to use it. So the entire code is available at GitHub because it's open source. So there is a pro version also because um, so they want to sell it. That's the reason they have put it the pro version. It has some features that is available like AI credits and all, but that is not required. So now let's dive into how we can use this. Okay, so just click on the download button. So when you click on the download button, it will download various versions that is available. So there is a stable release and beta release. So you can download the stable release. If it is Windows, you can download it from here or from Mac. Now once you have downloaded, the next step is installation. So while installing it, it will ask for settings. In the settings, it will ask for an API key. So there are various API keys that is available. There is OpenAI, so you can come here and set it up. The OpenAI key, which has various models like GPT-5. Now, if you don't have an OpenAI key, then you can go for free tier. So OpenRouter has a free tier. You can easily set it up. The OpenRouter API key. So this is the link to how you can set it up. So this is openrouter.ai. So here you can come and log in with Google account or Firefox login, that is Mozilla login, or GitHub. Then you can create a OpenRouter AI API key. Now what I have done is I have used Gemini, which is Google's API key. So now here I have come and I have used this. Okay, so now using this, I have chosen Gemini 2.5 Pro model. Now after choosing this model, it's activated. Now I can build anything with this. So what I will tell this is to build an app. You can even import from a folder if you have a pre-existing code, or if you want to modify that, you can create it from here. Now, so this is the Pro version. You can configure Dyad Pro settings here. So what I will do is I'll try to create a platform. So I'll say create a Netflix-like platform for educational content. From YouTube videos. Use education playlist like Python, Java, Anything tutorials to build this platform with various categories. Okay, so I'm telling this, and I'll say enter. So now you can see this is running in my system. Now if you want to use any local model, that you can use that too. Now the thing is passed on to not OpenAI, it's Gemini from Google. So it's saying So this is where it's coming up. I can help you build a Netflix-like platform for educational content using YouTube videos. First, you need a YouTube data API key to fetch video information. So please obtain one from Google Cloud Console and add it to your project environment variables as white YouTube API key. I will start by creating the necessary components for displaying videos, categories, and a utility to fetch the data from YouTube. Then I will integrate these into this page. Okay, so these are the things it's planning to do. Okay, so it is, you can even ask it. This is the build mode, and there is a chat mode, that is ask mode, where it will ask you for, you can ask questions to it. So I'll say for now use demo content. Okay, so now I'm saying instead of using the YouTube API key, you can start building it using demo content. Okay, so now you see this, there was an error from the AI, failed after 3 attempts. So resource has been exhausted. So what happened is that I have exhausted the rate limit for this because I've been extensively using it for the day. So let me try it after some time. So if you look at it right now, you can see the website that is taken its shape. This is called Course just like Netflix. So now if you look at it, I can open it in a new tab. So it will open up here. So here you can see the website. Various courses are there. Here I can connect it to a backend if I want. So these are all the courses that is available like Netflix. So this is a simple basic implementation from my desktop. So now if I want to implement it further, I can create any app just from my desktop using any LLM that is available. So if you have any local model that you can use it, so you can come here and set it using various model providers. So I hope it's useful. Thank you very much.